Well, this week we continue taking an in-depth look at how missing people of color get little media attention and are handled differently by law enforcement.
3 local women, all minorities, went missing around the same area, and each disappearance was suspicious, prompting 8 on your side to ask some questions. So Deanne is following the story. I know, Deanne, you've spoken with these women's families as well as the sheriff's office about these cases.
Yeah, I sure have. And in fact, today we're actually going to hear from a former FBI agent. We'll also hear from a missing persons expert. Here's their take on how missing minority cases are handled and what needs to be done differently.
My daughter matters too. She had 3 kids. Till this day, they still ask.
I think the Petito case is interesting because in some ways it fits missing white woman syndrome to a T.
Why does 3 women in the same area kind of go missing, and yet one girl goes missing and the whole nation knows?
We also have supervisors who are checking all of these cases.
Missing people of color and ensuring justice for all.
People don't just vanish.
Brianna Fox is a former FBI agent. She has investigated and researched cases involving fugitives and missing persons. Veronica Reyes-Diaz, Kaya Taylor, and Kelly Vasquez, all minority women missing from the same area and similar circumstances surrounding their disappearances. They've been missing for over a year, but Hillsborough County Sheriff's deputies have only brought in the FBI for 1 of the 3 cases. At what point do you believe, with your level of expertise, that maybe additional resources should be sought?
The idea of why you would invite the FBI to participate in a case is because they bring a federal resource, a national level of databases, archives.
Reyes-Diaz and Taylor's personal belongings were found in their cars, but Taylor's car was found running on these railroad tracks. Responding deputies moved it to the side and left. No report filed. Her tag wasn't even pulled.
And I think it's a reflection of our lack of, our law enforcement doesn't have a best practices for adults who go missing.
Michelle Janice researches missing person cases for a living. She's found missing minorities are treated differently compared to white victims.
There are people that are taking advantage of these individuals, obviously, and their cases are remaining open longer as well.
I dug deeper. In Taylor's case, an investigation wasn't launched until nearly 3 days after her car was moved. Both Janice and Fox say this could have hindered the investigation.
We know that lots of evidence is lost in the beginning if we're not investigating.
How crucial is that first 48, 72-hour period?
This is when the person is most likely to be found safe.
Both believe these cases could have been handled differently, not only by law enforcement, but also the media.
Research consistently shows that the way that missing persons cases are handled by law enforcement, the media, and even the public differ based upon the race of the victim.
We see bias in the social media realm as well, particularly by race, where white individuals are more likely to receive likes, clicks, shares, and all those forms of engagement than individuals of color.
They're hoping for change through legislation, education, and understanding.
It's incredibly disappointing to know that this is something that we're aware of and we keep saying, and yet it doesn't seem like things are changing.
We need awareness and acknowledgement of our biases in the justice system and generally in our society.
The racial disparities proven with missing persons isn't to say one person's case is more important than the other. We've heard from families, law enforcement, and experts, and the takeaway is that everyone needs to be better because all cases matter. For the full Missing People of Color, Ensuring Justice for All series, head to our website, WFLA.com. And I think that's it, guys. Everybody has to be better.
And because all cases matter, it's important to point out that these are 3 of dozens of cases.
3 of 87 right here in Hillsborough County, not to mention countless across the country. So we have to say their names.
Certainly. Excellent series, Deanne.
Thank you.
Very good reporting. Thank you.